Hello friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today's video is going to be a fall refresh on my front steps, front porches, if you will. It's tiny, but it still needs to be refreshed, so we did that. First of all, we swept it and cleaned the doors, and then I added some fall decor across the front of the house. You'll notice there will be like a trench there that does not have grass, and it's there because we were having some drainage issues and they recently came out and fixed that, so that's why that's there. We will be planting more grass seeds, as will the HOA, during the fall season. We just hadn't gotten to that yet. So we're going to pop on into this video and let you see what we've done. And if you're interested in how to refresh a small front porch, come on in and let's do the falling. So friends, we are going to sweep the steps off. We are not going to power wash. They suggested, the gardener suggested that we do not do that because they did recently put the seeds down. I didn't realize that until a neighbor said they had done that while I was out one day. And we haven't put ours down yet, but they did not want the power washer to, beat them up again. So we did not do that. So we swept it. And when Orlando waters, he will rinse the porch off, but we will power wash in the spring. So that did not get done, but we did clean everything else up, and we got it so fresh and so clean and decorated. And we had a fun day out here doing this. If you'll notice in the video, we're laughing a lot, and it was fun. It was a beautiful day. The kids were playing down the street. It was just nice outside, so we had a good time doing that. But that is why we did not power wash, and I just wanted to pop in and let you know. Also, while I'm here, let me introduce myself. I'm Clarissa Coward, and this is A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. And this channel is a lifestyle channel, and it's all about DIYs and seasonal decorating, as we're doing here, inside and out. Organization, lots of organization, regular decor, cleaning, and the occasional recipe. I throw that in, and especially during this time of year, it is soup season and comfort food season, so I will be adding some recipes as well. There's also some changes that we're doing, refreshing some areas in the house, and I think that you will be interested in that. There's a little something for everybody. So if you find something here or I've mentioned something here that interests you, why don't you hit that subscribe button below? Once you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. I can guarantee you, with the holidays coming up, we are going to have some interesting and fun and creative items to share with you guys here. So come on to enjoy the family. If you're new here, and there are a couple of you, let me say welcome. We're so glad that you've decided to join our little side of YouTube here, our little YouTube vision here, and we hope that you will come back often and that you will communicate. Leave comments. Let's get to know each other. I really like to do that. Also, I'll ask you all to please watch the videos till the end. That really helps my channel grow, and that's what I'm trying to do here. I'm a bit more focused on that. So if you will watch the videos till the end, it will be greatly appreciated. And while you're at it, if you find something that you enjoy, or you know someone else that may, share the video with your family and friends. I'm trying to grow my channel, and it would be great if you'd help me do that. So my friends, we're going to go right back to cleaning. As you can see, I'm doing the windows, and if you see me keep looking down the street, I love to see the kids outside playing. And we have some new neighbors that have children. Our neighborhood has been quite quiet for a long time, but there are some new neighbors, and their children are outside playing some kind of ball game down the street, and so you see me noticing. They're little kids, but they're having a good time, and the giggles and the fun just makes being outside more enjoyable to me. So I'm going to let you watch us clean and get this done, and then I'll be back in a little bit. Enjoy.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you rolled up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, if you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
Friends, we are making progress, and I wanted to pop in to let my ride or dies know that I am so very pleased that you're here. I am so very grateful that you come back every week, week after week, because hopefully you're finding something that makes your life or brings a little joy to your life. That's my goal, to do that. And when you come back every week, you make me feel really, really good that I am reaching that goal. If you live in a smaller space and you're looking for ways to organize it or refresh it or just make it feel homey and elegant and cozy, then you're in the right place. So for my ride or dies, I'm so glad that my little YouTube channel touches you guys in some way. Thank you so much for being a part of it. And guys, if you're not already, please follow me on my social medias. I'm on other outlets. I'm on Instagram. I am also on Facebook. I am also new to TikTok. I love watching it, so I decided to start an account, and so there I am on TikTok. I also have a website, and it's A Cozy Lifestyle. So join me on my other media outlets as well. And guys, now we're going to get back to cleaning because we'll be hitting the reveal soon. But before I go, let me say this. I really do hope that you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, please leave me a thumbs up and also a comment. I would greatly appreciate that as well. Oh, and one tip. I'm putting fake pumpkins out here because I've tried everything and my squirrels still love to come and eat our pumpkins. Last year I did do something that worked, but we didn't have them out that long because I was a little late, and that was I washed them really, really well with Clorox, and then I sprayed them with a sealer, a paint sealer. But then I got a little afraid that it may make them sick because I don't know if it repelled them or if they would try and nibble on it and it would make them sick. So I just decided to use some fake ones, but they are really, really light, and then I didn't want the wind to blow them away. So what I did, I brought my hot glue gun out, and I glued them to the bale of hay. And it has rained since then, and we've had some wind, and they stayed right there. So that's a little tip. If you want to use fake ones and you don't want to drill holes and fill them with sand or water, hot glue them. And then when it's over, you can just pop them off of the little bale of hay and reuse them again next year. But guys, with that said, I hope you find something in the video that brings you joy. But if not, I'm sure you will. I'm sure you will. But find something else today to bring joy into your life. Joy is so important, and no one can take your joy away from you. And with that said, my friends, I'm going to leave you from this video. Please watch it till the very end. Watch the reveal, and I will see you in the next video. I loved you guys to the moon and back. I really do appreciate all of you that come and watch the videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
There's nothing that I can say or do, and it seems that words won't change a lot. How can I make it through to you when these silly little words are all that I've got? We can try to just pretend I could hold you once again, 'cause I'm scared of feeling lost tonight. When I wake up, it's you that I think of. It's true, it's so obvious, but I'm holding back because you don't want me like I want you. You don't feel me like I feel you. Oh no. And I must confess that you don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush, baby, when I kiss you, but you don't. And I must confess that I wish I'd find someone new and forget about you. 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 There's only so much that we can save, like a storyline and a few cliches. When we break up, it's true that I'm making up this through. I don't wanna pass the buck, but we're in this place because you don't want me like I want you. You don't feel me like I feel you. Oh no. And I must confess that you don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush, baby, when I kiss you. And you don't. And I must confess that I wish I'd find someone new. You're the sweetest love I ever had, and missing that is why I feel so sad. I've been holding on in case there was something we could fix, but it's over now.